Welcome. In front of me is a CMF Phone 1, and today I will show you how we can record screen on this phone. Started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the screen recorder toggle, which for me is on the last page and looks like this. Once you see it, just simply click on it. It brings up this window letting you choose what kind of audio will be recorded. So we have device under this drop down, device audio, microphone, and both. Now if it's toggled off, obviously it's not going to record any audio. And if you're planning to record both device and the mic, I recommend using headphones, as this might create an unwanted echo effect without headphones. And we also have the show touches on the screen, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was touching the display. Once you select start, obviously it gives you a 3-second countdown with a notification, lets you know that it's now recording, and whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. If you open up some kind of applications, those will be recorded, though there is a limitation. Not every app will allow you to be recorded. Anyway, once you're done recording, pull down your notifications and click right over here to stop it. Going back to the apps that can be recorded, there are certain ones that do it for privacy and security, though don't be fooled, it's not your privacy and security. And one of those applications that comes pre-installed with majority of the devices is Netflix. And even though you might not be signed in nor agreed to any terms of service, the application still can do whatever the application wants on your device, as it can block the screen recorder without you ever giving it any kind of permission whatsoever, and furthermore even denying it. So yeah, I just kind of find it to be absolutely annoying, as this option in the Android is not an option that you can turn off if you want to. So if an app uses it, that's it. You have nothing that you can do about it. Anyway, now let's find our gallery application, or photos. There we go, photos. And you will see our screen recorder right over here at the front. It is labeled as a movie, so it goes into a movie album, and later on it might be easier to find it that way. Anyway, tapping on it, you can now play it back, and you can also see this gray dot that shows up. There we go. That's basically where my finger was pressing the display. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.